I hope this year is finding everybody healthy and safe. I'm going to take my table lamp and I'm going to transform it into this floor lamp. I'll take you through the process. This is what we're going to use. We're going to use a glass clear salad plate. I'm going to use 2 of these. One for the base and one for the top. These are 30-ounce plastic glasses. They're pretty strong, heavy-duty glasses. We're going to put some Gorilla Glue around the end here and around the mouth of the glass. I'm going to adhere the glass to the plate. We're going to turn the plate over for the bottom half of the lamp. Put a little glue on the plate as well as the cup and put it down on the plate. The next cup, we're going to put it on the bottom of the cup. Put our glue there and place it on the top of the glass that's attached to the glass plate. How about that? And we're going to build up from there. We're going to use the plastic sheeting for the shade on our lamp. I got a pack of 20 of these sheets, and they're pretty thin, but they're durable. See, that looks like 1, but it's actually 2 there. And I'm going to take these so that they're end to end. I'm not going to overlap them. Place them on my table. This is where your clean tabletop or work area is necessary, so that nothing is going to get a static cling on your plastic sheets. It's really tricky to get that tape to stay right in the center of this so that I can get an accurate measurement. But it comes out to about 25. Yeah. Plastic sheeting, and I'm going to measure it out to 25 inches. Mark it off. And that's where I'm going to cut it. And to cut my sheets, I'm going to use a cutting board. So these sheets are 12 by 12. I use a cutting board and I can get a straighter cut. Now that I have my sheets cut, I am going to bring the ends together and back to my tape and tape them right on the seam. So I'm going to use my tape to hold them together. Alright, I've got it folded over and got my 2 ends together. I'll need something to hold this in place. I'll use my scissors. Lay them down here so I've got it in place. And now I'm going to take my tape and cut off just a little bit of tape to get them to stay where they are. Remember, don't stretch your tape. Just let it lay down. This tape is really hard to get off if you get it on there and it's got a bubble in it or something. So I'm gonna do this all the way up my seam. Okay, I've got my two plastic sheets together for both my lamps, and now I'm going to measure off my material. 25 inches. And I'm gonna mark it and cut it. Now I have my fabric wrapped around my plastic, and I'm going to turn my fabric down inside of my plastic here. This is going to be the top of the shade. And I left a little bit at the bottom of the shade just because it just looks nice with that little piece down there, a little clear piece. Gives it a different look. And I'm going to attach this to my plastic. Right, now that we have the shade completed, my fabric is over the plastic sheets, and now I'm going to slide this down over my light to make my shade. And there we go, finished product. I really like my lamps. My finished product in my TV room or keeping room. I just love them. Thank you again for tuning in and watching my video. If you like this video, please leave a like and ring that notification bell and subscribe so that you'll know when I'm on again with different projects. Thanks again. Have a blessed day. And remember to be respectful when leaving a comment. Bye.